guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's very special day today because it's our second wedding anniversary. We are really missing our families back in India. I mean both of them.
And you are invited to your anniversary party also because we are also.
ये हम है और वहाँ पानी हो रही है.
The plan for today is I am already on leave and Harsh is on half day and we still can't go outside to celebrate this special day. That is why we are celebrating it at home because it's still lockdown here and restaurants are shut. Right now we are heading out to buy some stuff related to our celebration. So this is the first time that we are celebrating our anniversary together. So this is kind of our first wedding anniversary. So I am super excited to go outside and you know what? Let me just show you. It's snowing heavily since morning. Temperature is so good today. It's I think +1 or 2. So let's just quickly go outside else we'll be late. Look at the snow. It's snowing heavily today. It's gonna be too much fun. This snowfall really made our day.
It's a cool hard wind outside my window. Ooh, when people don't know it.
In this lockdown, Party Mart has truly been our favorite place to shop for party items. You can get any kind of party items, whether it's a birthday or anniversary or any other occasion. This store is totally a one-stop solution for us. After Party Mart, we went to Canadian Superstore to buy flowers and cake.
What a snowfall today, guys. What a weather. क्या स्नोफॉल हुई है आज गाइस. 7 months हो चुके हैं मुझे और ये मेरा पहला विंटर सीजन है बट ऐसी स्नोफॉल मैंने अभी तक नहीं देखी. सीरियसली मजा आ गया आज तो. So guys, we are back home. The only thing that is left is अभी खाना बनाना बाकी है और घर डेकोरेट करना बाकी है.
I didn't know I was telling a lie. It's been a long day for sure. How could I resist your smile? Can we move on as before? I could wait for 1,000 years, but it won't do us any good. Will you bet if you get the chance? I know I surely would. When you're away, there's a hole in my heart. Feels like a deja vu. So come back soon, you are my missing part. I know that you'll be you.
So यहाँ खीर बन रही है. हमारे मिस्टर साहुता बना रहे हैं और यहाँ बन रहा है पालक पनीर जो मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. So we cooked kheer on this Ninja pressure furi. So it has 7 functions and usually खीर बनाने में तो बहुत टाइम लगता है but इसमें it took I think 1.5 hours only.
हमने प्रेशर कुक किया है. ये आप नॉर्मल प्रेशर कुकर में भी कर सकते हो पर ज़्यादा ध्यान देना पड़ता है.
Let me be close to you forever, never, darling. You're my sweetheart.
So guys, today we are gonna do something very special. Guys, today we are gonna cast our hands with the help of this casting kit which we have ordered from Amazon. So this kit has two products. One is the molding powder, this one, and the other one is the casting stone.
So guys, first step is to make the mold. So we have added molding powder in parts to 2.8 liter of cool water, and you have to mix everything within 90 seconds because the mixture really starts setting quickly. And also guys, it was instructed in the manual to massage our hands with oil so that we can hold the moisture and reduce the air bubbles in the mold. And you know what guys, we had practiced posing our hands inside the bucket before doing this activity just to make us feel comfortable. So moving on to our next step, which is to prepare casting stone mixture. So for preparing this mixture, we have added this to 3.5 cup of cool water. It took us roughly 5 to 8 minutes to blend the mixture, and after 5 minutes the mixture started thickening up. So make sure to pour it immediately into the mold. And now here comes the final step, pouring the casting stone into the mold.
So we are ready, and this is my outfit of the day. I am wearing this velvet bodycon dress which has puff sleeve on one side. So let's talk about the activity which we just did. So I would like to give you few tips if any one of you is interested doing this activity. So if you really want to create something special for your family members, just go for it. I would highly recommend. But there are few things which I would like to tell you guys. So what went wrong for us was we have chosen a wrong place when we were doing that activity. So the table was a bit low and we started feeling pain on our legs, on our back, and it was feeling like somebody has given us punishment for 10 minutes. If any one of you wants to do this activity, then please make sure to choose a right place, because seriously, I wanted to enjoy that activity. I mean, we wanted to enjoy that activity, but it was really a painful one. So that was it only. And we took 8 to 10 minutes for finishing that up. And you know what happened with me? I have set one camera on the other side and somehow it didn't record anything. I mean, I don't know what happened. Might be I missed pressing record button or what. So we just got half of the clip, but okay, whatever we got. Now the plan for the evening is, ये हम हैं, ये हमारे पति जी हैं, और हमारी पार्टी नहीं हो रही है. Actually, Harsh is on call this week. On call means you have to be available even after your shift. So dinner is cooked. बस अभी केक काटते हैं. घर वालों को याद करते करते. So let's cut the cake then. Mommy, Daddy, we both are missing you a lot and we love you. You know what? मैं आप लोगों को एक चीज़ तो बोलना भूल गई. यार, subscribe to my channel and comment, like, share with others, and also please press the bell icon so that whenever I will upload new videos, you guys will be notified. One, two, three.
और इसको पहले इसके अंदर इंसेशंस करना शुरू करता है साइड से.
How does it feel? Bouncy, bouncy.
बाउंसी सा, जेली जेली जैसा.
Oh wow, it's looking
looking so nice to see.
हमारी रिंग भी आई है.
Lovely. हमारी पूरी लाइंस भी आई है यार. Wrinkles वगैरह की पूरी. This is captured Harsh nerves as well. So Harsh is giving finishing touch to this statue. Process of making this statue was not at all easy, even though it looked easy, but trust me, it was not. And we got a bit emotional when we saw the final look of our hands. It truly made our special day even more special. So I would highly recommend you guys to do this with your loved ones. And yeah, that's it for today. I will see you all in my next video. So till then, take care guys. Bye bye.